Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about my manifestation routine, and if you really wonder about that, please watch the video until the end, because in the end I'm gonna just give you my beautiful successful story I manifesting possible, okay, with this routine. But before we start, I'm here to tell you about my success stories, tips and techniques that I'm using this manifestation period. And if you want the magic in your life, please subscribe my channel and turn on notifications for not missing anything. And let's jump to the topic so quickly. How is my manifestation routine? Actually, I really warn you before I start that, because everyone is different. So yeah, you should watch this video until the end. But just take the main parts and just make it fit to you, okay? Because we have different feelings, we have different situations, we have different world, okay, actually. So maybe, yeah, my manifestation routine is a little bit general, so most of you can fit this manifestation routine, but just make it perfect for you, okay, for your thinking, for your feeling, whatever, okay? Because sometimes when I explain something, you just get a really trouble times to apply these techniques, because it doesn't fit to you, okay? So please just take the general parts of my routine and make it perfect for you, okay? So how I start my manifestation routine? Actually, yeah, we manifest a lot of things during the day, okay, just by thinking it or just by dreaming it, okay. It's good, but most of them are subconscious, okay. So that's why we always said change your subconscious belief, because they're manifested instantly. Subconscious work really hard. If you just put some beliefs in a positive way, you can just manifest lots of positive things in your life, and it's beautiful, of course. But in here, in this channel and most of YouTube channel, we just teach you the conscious manifestation. It's a beautiful thing, because we want to live what we want, okay? And that's why my routine, for example, I want to manifest something, or I'm just giving my SP, for example, okay? If I want to manifest an SP in my life, for example, I like somebody and I want him to be my boyfriend, right? And I start this routine like 2 weeks, because subconscious just get the idea in 2 weeks, okay? You don't have to do more than that, because yeah, 21 days is it's a general thing to get something into your subconscious and believe it. But I think that if you just do this routine very clearly, and you don't need to wait 21 days, okay, and just the rest of the days, and after 2 weeks, of course, it will be more good, more real, be a subconscious manifestation for you, okay? Subconscious just serves you that you want, okay? So for example, I said before, try to manifest my SP, okay? And my routine is like that. First of all, I just put myself in a room, okay, but it's a mental room, of course. And there's no room that in that room, so nobody can enter it, nobody. I didn't affect myself from the 3D reality, what I see, and I just close it, okay. I put myself, my mental, in a room, okay, with the walls closed, okay. So I start with the day. The first thing I do, I have a beautiful affirmation that gives me a lot of things. It's I'm happy, healthy, and whole, okay. I just repeat this affirmation like 10 times or 20 times in the morning when I first wake up, okay, when I'm still in bed. So I said, I'm happy, healthy, whole. I'm happy, healthy, whole. I'm happy, healthy, whole. Okay, this is, I think, gives me the power to manifest anything. Okay, I think I use this affirmation a lot because it's a beautiful affirmation, and I just suggest you to say this the first thing that you wake up in the morning. Just say this affirmation: I'm happy, healthy, and whole. I'm happy, healthy, and whole, and it's a beautiful way to do it. And after then yes, I start my daily routine. Of course, I start working. I go to gym, whatever. I never think about my manifestation. Okay, I just keep myself busy. Because when you think something more and more, it just turns into an obsession. Okay, so I don't want it to turn into an obsession. So I want to keep myself busy to not think what I want during the daytime. Okay, like and in the end, at night I just have a journal, okay, and I'm writing like a diary, okay. But this diary, it's not what I did during the day. It's about what I need to do during the day, okay. Like, yeah, we spent time with my SB today, and we were really happy together, and he said to me that I love you so much and whatever, okay. I just write it just like as I live in it, okay? And it gives me the feeling that I just spent that day like that, like this, okay? And I write daily. It's like a diary for me, and I write daily at night, and I keep this feeling inside of me. I go to bed, okay. After 2 weeks, I just spent my 2 weeks like that, and after 2 weeks, I just I realized that I just created some beliefs into my subconscious, and I just really believe that, okay. He loves me, he just calls me whatever, okay. We are in a relationship right now, so I'm so relaxed, and I don't do anything anymore, okay. And I know that I'm gonna see the reflection, okay, even if even if I didn't see any movement, okay. And I know that it's gonna happen, and it's happening right now. I know that, and I really know that I'm gonna see the reflection, okay. I don't care the time, I don't care about anything, okay, during this time. And with this technique, I really manifested my SB, by the way. And yeah, it's not just quite manifesting, but I think it shows me some movement during this. Yeah, 2 weeks I'm on holiday. I was on a holiday, I was really happy, and I did this technique during my holiday season, okay. And then when I first wake up in the morning, I said blah 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 blah, and I'm happy LTO, I'm happy LTO. I just went to the sea, I swam a lot, and having one with my friends, okay. I don't care anything about during the day. And at night, I just wrote my diary, and I just said that yes, we spent this holiday day together, we swam together, we were really happy, and I'm really glad that I have a boyfriend, and I have a beautiful relationship with him, like that I wanted. And now I stopped. And when I just came back from holiday, okay, and he just give me some kind of signals that he's thinking about me all the day, okay, and really good signals. It's from Instagram, or yeah, it's from Instagram. And believe me, I just before this manifestation period, it's like impossible, okay. He was impossible for me, and now I changed my mindset, because sometimes we have hard times. That's why I understand you very well, okay. But this time I really changed my mindset, and before I went to holiday, I just gave my word to myself, and I said that I'm gonna do this manifestation routine, and when I come back, and I just see some movement. And the day I turn back, I see the movement. I saw the movement, okay? So that's why keep believing, keep persisting, okay? And do this manifestation. It's really easy for you, okay? You don't have to panicking. You don't have to do extra work. You don't have to do all the techniques together, okay? Because it's boring and it's tiring. I know that, okay? And most of you just give up because you were tired, okay? Don't do that, and just keep this general routine, okay? It's really easy. I think the essence of this routine is keeping the feeling, okay? And when you sleep with that feeling, your subconscious understand that, okay, this is the feeling that she really needs, okay? And that's why it serves that way. So that's it for me today. I hope you like this video. If you like that, please hit the like button, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.